Redeeming a promo code on Peacock TV is a straightforward process, and here is how you can do it. First of all, open any web browser on your mobile device or desktop. Then in search address bar, type down couponfollow.com. Now navigate to the official website of CouponFollow. There you'll get to see the list of apps of coupons available. So you can see there are a variety of options. You can simply search for it manually, or you can tap on the search address bar at the top and type down Peacock TV. Then you'll get to see the option listed there, and you'll have to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll get to the list of coupons available for the Peacock promo code. Now all you have to do is choose one according to your preferences. So the highest one is 90% available here. You can simply tap on the use redeem code or use coupon code option available there, and you will be navigated to the different site where you can see the code. So here we are tapping on the 90% option available. So once you're in the screen where you can visually see the code, then you'll have to copy it, or you can simply tap on the redeem in Peacock, and you'll have to log into your Peacock account. Then you can input your code in the designated field and click apply, and ensure that your subscription details reflect the applied promotion. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.